Greetings, all you aspiring entrepreneurs and future business moguls. Welcome back. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the world of e-commerce, unveiling the untold potential of SaleHoo Wholesale and Dropship Directory. Whether you're already a seasoned seller or just stepping into the realm of online business, you're in for a treat, because this video is about to revolutionize your approach. Understanding SaleHoo Wholesale and Dropship Directory. Let's start by demystifying the enigma that is SaleHoo Wholesale and Dropship Directory. Think of it as your backstage pass to a global network of suppliers, wholesalers, and dropshippers. Imagine having the key to unlock a treasure chest of products, waiting to be discovered and sold to your eager customers. The road to profit, making money with SaleHoo. Fasten your seatbelts, because now we're diving into the juicy details. Making money. SaleHoo empowers you with the ability to access a plethora of products at wholesale rates. You can take the traditional route of bulk buying or embrace the simplicity of dropshipping. This means you can put products up for sale without ever handling inventory or worrying about shipping logistics. It's like a dream come true for anyone seeking a low-risk entry into the e-commerce arena. Unveiling SaleHoo's potential, dominating top marketplaces. But here's the million-dollar question. Can SaleHoo help you conquer e-commerce giants like Amazon, eBay, and more? You bet it can. SaleHoo acts as your personal crystal ball, predicting product trends and connecting you with dependable suppliers. It's like having insider information on what's hot and what's not in the market. Real talk, SaleHoo Wholesale and Dropship Directory review. It's time for some real talk. To give you an unbiased perspective, I delved deep into the world of SaleHoo myself. The verdict? Prepare to be amazed. The platform's user-friendly interface makes navigation a breeze, and the extensive supplier directory is nothing short of impressive. The cherry on top? The supportive community and plethora of resources available, particularly for those who are new to the game. Is SaleHoo worth it? Let's address the elephant in the room. Is SaleHoo really worth the investment? Absolutely. Think of it as an investment in your own success story. The time and money you save by tapping into reliable suppliers and high-quality products are worth every dime. Whether you're testing the waters as a part-time seller or aiming to build a bustling e-commerce empire, SaleHoo is the ultimate partner you need by your side. Final thoughts. As we wrap up this enlightening journey, remember that triumph in the e-commerce realm demands dedication and the right tools. SaleHoo Wholesale and Dropship Directory offers you those essential tools on a silver platter. Whether you're on a mission to skyrocket your sales on Amazon, dominate eBay, or shine on other online marketplaces, SaleHoo is your secret weapon. There you have it, my fellow future tycoons. The comprehensive guide to unlocking the immense potential of SaleHoo Wholesale and Dropship Directory. If you're ready to embark on your e-commerce adventure, waste no time in exploring SaleHoo. Click the link below to explore SaleHoo Wholesale and Dropship Directory. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe for more game-changing content, and always remember, your journey to success begins with a single click. Thanks for tuning in, and catch you in the next enlightening video.